Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting your Firefox history, like entire history, into Obsidian page. You can see I have Obsidian on my computer. It's empty vault, but I will be I have a Firefox here, and I didn't. This is brand new computer, so I didn't use Firefox much here, but it still contains some data in it, and I'm gonna convert like entire Firefox history. I don't know if I can see Firefox history here. Okay, so some files, PDF files, some GMX. Okay, so I will be downloading entire history into Obsidian Vault, and in order to do this I will download and install application from this website. I will leave a link on site into description. To find the application, I'll click on search and type Obsidian to get to Obsidian converters. Obsidian, yep. And I can click on these places to Obsidian and click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I will be recording more videos on Obsidian converters from different formats like CSV, JSON, XML into Obsidian. So if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, if you want to see more application like this, more converter like this, and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Yeah, sometimes Google cannot scan files, so this is why it's saying, oh, hey, I cannot scan file. Do you want to download it? This is why I'm using Google Drive, because it's normally scanning, but they're experiencing technical difficulties. But it's kind of rare, but still it could happen. But hey, this is the only hosting, I think, not the only, but this is hosting that scans archives before releasing them to customers, and it's a good thing, and this is why I'm using them, because every time they can scan, they will scan, and it's a good thing to have. So you can see I have downloaded archive. I click on it. Now I double click on MSI Inside Archive. I click more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher as Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut here. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now in step one of the conversion, I would say I have two options. I can try this button, find places as SQLite, and if it's located SQLite automatically, where is my Firefox is stored, it will find it right away, so I will keep it. Or I can click to select input files, navigate to find my SQLite where it's located and use it. But it's found automatically, so it's good. So click on next step. There are no conversion options here yet. I'll click next, and on file step I'll click run to create file. It's asking me where to save a file and name of the file. So I already have it in, I have Obsidian Vault into my documents, so I can scroll down here, go to Obsidian, go to demo vault, and I can say it like in root of the vault. It will call places SQLite Obsidian. Now if I launch Obsidian, I will have file in here, and you can see it has all URLs, and even it should have a PDF files I'm used to open, and all URLs visited, WPT, so everything is here. So 65, it will be the nearest or like earliest URL, and this one obviously is the oldest. So yeah, basically that's it. We created Obsidian page with entire Firefox history. It could be rather large if you are using, if you have like a lot of history in Firefox, but yeah, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, or if you want to like you have ideas how to change the application, please leave them in comments below. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.